In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove a Gmail email account from an Android phone. To begin, open the Gmail app and go to your inbox. This is the main screen where you see your email list. Make sure you are signed into the Google account that is currently on your Android phone, since you will be managing that account's access from here. Next, look up at the top of the Gmail app for your profile icon. It is usually a small circle with your account image or an initial. Tap that profile icon to open the account menu. This menu is where Google gives you quick access to account settings and switching between accounts. In the menu that appears, select Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to your Google account settings, where you can control security, sign-ins, and the devices that are connected to your account. If you see a prompt to confirm your identity, follow the on-screen instructions, because Google may ask you to sign in again for security reasons. Once you are in your Google account page, find and tap the option labeled Security and Sign In. This section is important because it shows where your account is signed in and what devices have access. It is also where you can remove access from a phone you no longer want connected. Now scroll until you find the area that shows your devices, then tap Manage All Devices. This opens a full list of phones, tablets, and other devices that have been signed into your Google account. Take a moment to read the device names and the last activity information, so you select the correct Android phone. From the device list, tap the Android phone you want to remove. This opens the device details page. Here, look for the highlighted option that lets you remove access, such as signing out from that device. Tap it, then confirm when prompted. This confirmation step is important because signing out will disconnect that device from your Google account and can stop Gmail and other Google services from syncing on that phone. After you confirm, give it a few seconds for the change to apply. And that is all there is to it.